industry-specific solutions. Hey learners, welcome back. Let's take a quick look at how Lighthouse ERP is built to serve diverse industry verticals with precision and flexibility. Built with industry DNA, Lighthouse ERP is not generic, it's purpose-built. From steel and transmission to pharma, FMCG, plastics, agro, construction, mining, engineering, we understand the distinct needs of each sector and deliver solutions that are already aligned with your industry. Modular and configurable architecture. Each vertical has dedicated workflows, especially in areas like raw material management, production planning, QC, and sales. With a vast range of configurable parameters, the system adapts to your processes, not the other way around. Faster implementation with pre-built logic. Thanks to our pre-configured industry-specific modules and templates, businesses benefit from quicker implementation and less customization effort without compromising fit. Designed by experts, not just developers. We've worked hand in hand with businesses for nearly 4 decades, gathering process knowledge that's directly built into our ERP. And since we are the original developers, deep customization is always possible. So whether you're tracking engineering output or managing pharma compliance, Lighthouse ERP is already speaking your industry's language. Next, we'll wrap up Module 2 with a quick summary of what you've learned so far. Stay with us.